In today's video, we will guide you through on how to add line in Adobe Acrobat. It's a very simple and quick step. All you have to do is follow along. So, a little disclaimer, usually in the Adobe Acrobat, you can see a toolbar. But for some reason, while I'm screen recording this, the toolbar is not visible on the screen recording. But in real, there is a toolbar up here. So just assume there's a toolbar over here. There is usually toolbar in your Adobe Acrobat, no worries. But due to some technical issue, you cannot see in this video. So usually if you just listen to this video and follow along, you'll be able to do it. So basically go to the toolbar, and there you can find various options like highlight selected text and draw freehand, fill in form fill. So there are two ways to add a line. So you can also go to this option that says draw freehand. I'm repeating again, draw freehand. You have to go to the draw freehand option, and there you can see the option of line. Simply tap in there, and now you can go back to your project and basically draw a line like this. And there you go. This is how you add a line. You can also play with the colors. Usually at the bottom you can see in circle that's a choose a color for lines. You can tap in there, and you will be given various option of colors. You can choose according to your preference and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try with the blue one, and there you go. There is a blue line over here. You can also adjust the thickness. It's also at the bottom, and that is change line thickness. Simply tap in there, and you can change by moving the slider. So let's try this, a little thicker line. Okay. So this is one way of adding a line. There's also another way, that is going to the option that says fill in form fields. And at the very bottom, you can see an option that says cross out. Simply tap in there. And now you can simply tap like this. You can the thing about this is you can expand it or like this. So once you make this one line, you can now add a multiple of lines like this. So all you have to do is just click, and it will create the same type of line. All you have to do is click, and it will create multiple lines. So it might be useful when you're trying to make a lined paper or something like that. So this is it. This is basically how you add line in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our videos.